Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use CapCut to create and edit amazing videos. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your editing skills, this guide will cover everything you need. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device if you don't have it downloaded from your App Store or Google Play Store. Once inside, tap the New Project button to start. Next, select the photos or videos you want to include. Like you can see here, I'm picking some video clips. Tap on the media to select it, then press add at the bottom. To refine your video, you can trim and split clips. Tap on a clip in the timeline to select it. Use the white handles on either side to trim it. If you want to split, move the playhead to the desired point and tap the split button. To make your video smoother, let's add transition. Tap the small white square between two clips. CapCut offers various transitions like fade, zoom, and slide. I will select the fade transition and adjust the duration to 1 second for a seamless look. Filters can enhance the look of your video. Tap on a clip, go to the filters section, and browse the options. I will apply a warm filter to give the beach scenes a sunny vibe. To add text, tap text at the bottom, then add text. Tap your message like I am typing here beach day fun and choose a font, color and style. You can adjust the text position by dragging it on the screen. Then here you can see overlay option, which you can use to add overlay on a basic video. Like you can see here, I'm adding this image on this video. You can also adjust its length. Alright, then as you know, no video is complete without music. Tap audio and choose from CapCut's library, your own files or extracted video. Like you can see here, I'm choosing this song at the background. Adjust the audio level using the volume slider to avoid overpowering the visuals. CapCut also offers amazing effects. Tap effects, select the options like glitch, blur or sparkle, whatever you want, and apply them to a specific clip or the entire video. Like you can see here, I'm applying this effect. Now here you can see captions, where you can add captions. Here you can select from where you want to generate captions, then simply click here on generate. But to use it, you need to have Pro CapCut. Now here you can see this aspect ratio option, where you can choose aspect ratio, whatever you want. Like you can see here, I'm choosing this YouTube video aspect ratio, and you can see this is converted into YouTube video. Then here in the background, you can change or add video background. You can add color, video, blur or any image from your gallery as a background. Once you are happy with your edit, it's time to export. Tap the export button in the top right corner, choose your desired resolution. Like I'm choosing here 1080p. It is great for most platforms, and wait for the export to finish. And that's it. You have just created a professional looking video using CapCut. Share it on social media or with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.